Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how we can install Microsoft SQL Server to our systems along with the graphical user interface. So while for doing this, let's first go to the Google Chrome to download the Microsoft SQL Server. So here I will search SQL Server. Uh, it's like that. I will search for Microsoft SQL Server. Okay, so you will get a link, first link like that, SQL Server download. So on that we can see the multiple things are there. If we go down, you can see there are two options that we can download the Microsoft SQL Server, one for the developer mode and other for the express mode. So I recommend you to download for express mode. Click on express mode and click on download now. So it will take a while and download it. So you can see the download is complete. Now let's open it. It asks for yes or no, so we will select it as yes. That may not be visible on the screen. So the installation has been started. Now it's asking the type of installation, which type of installation I want, the basic type or a custom type or download media. Download media is something where you can download it and install it later. Custom, where you guys are able to choose what are the files you want to install, what not to install. So we'll go for the basic one. Okay, so everything is okay. I will accept the terms and condition. Okay, this is the default location of the file. The all the files will be stored in C program files, so it will be okay. So I am clicking on install. So it will take a minute to download all the required dependencies and required packages, and it will install our server. So let's wait for a few minutes. After this installation, we will go for the installation of other things also. Meanwhile it getting installed, I requesting you everyone to like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel. Now you can see the installation has been completed successfully, and these are the some files in the path of the files where the data is being stored. Now we have to install the SQL Server Management. So for that we will be going to install this. There is a button called install SSMS. So this is the graphical user interface where you guys can use or you can write your commands. We can where you can write your SQL commands to perform the job. So when you click that, it will give you this. This is the SQL Server Management Studio. Here we'll go down and see this is the latest version of the SSMS. So just click over there. So it will start the download. It also takes 1 or 2 minutes to get download. Okay, so we will be waiting for that. Now my download is completed. Now I will open this also. Okay, and nothing you have to change because it's getting installed at the same location or the default location. So you'll simply click the install and provide the required permission, and once it's done it will start the installation process. Let's wait for 2-3 minutes more to install this also. Once this get installed, we will be able to see a graphical user interface where we can write, we can use our SQL commands to communicate with the server. So this is something like that, gives you proper graphical user interface. So just give me 1 or 2 minutes, it will get installed. Those who are not subscribed it yet, please subscribe my channel and also like this video. If you face any type of error, anything during the installation, you can simply comment it. I will try to reply on that as soon as possible. Now you can see the setup is complete, so we'll just close it. Okay, and this also installation is everything is complete, so we'll also close it. Yes. Okay, now close this also. We'll simply go to my start, search for SQL Server Management Studio. So SQL So this is, you can see, SQL Server Management Studio 20. This is the app. Just click it. So let's wait, it will run in a while. Okay, so this is the user interface where we have to first connect this to our SQL server. So for that, because the authentication and multiple things are required in this thing, but as we are learning this is of the basics, we are not required to do all of the things. So in authentication type, we'll make sure that it is a window authentication, and encryption type, make it mandatory, and trust the server certificate. Please check this box, trust server certificate, and click on connect. Once you do that, your connection has been done. Okay, now you can see the connection has been created. You will see this, all the files has been now visible, although it was not visible. So here we will try to see how we are doing the things. So we'll click on new query. Here I will simply write a command as create database demo. Okay, and let's execute it. Okay, let's zoom it little bit, make it 150, make it more, 200. Okay, so I have created a database demo. You can see the command completed successfully. And how we can see that my database demo has been created? We will go to this databases, expand this. It's not visible. We'll select the database and refresh this by using this button. Okay, now you can see the demo database has been created. In this way you can use it. So I hope every query and everything will be resolved. If you face any error, please do comment. I will try to resolve that as soon as possible, and please do like this video. Thank you for watching.